this is Lee. Welcome to my channel. I wanted to do a quick review today of these vanity lights that I purchased from Amazon. I've been looking for something that was bright, but not bulky, kind of blend in with the aesthetic. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh, before I get right into it, I'll be sure to link these lights in the description. And again, I've been using these for 2 months, so let me just go ahead and get right into it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. These are what the lights look like from way back here. I made sure I turned off all the other surrounding lights. Right now it's just natural light coming in here, no other overhead lights, so you can see it. This is how they look. Okay. So this is how they look up close. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. I'm sorry, this is my first review type of video, so here we go. So that's what they look like. I'll put in the description how long these lights are. I wrapped them around, as you can see, and they had adhesive on the back, so you just peel the back off like you do, like, you know, the 3M things that you hang stuff up with. You just peel the back and you just put them up however you want. So I just have them sticking like this. They just come like in a straight, you know how lights come just straight, and then I just curved it around because that's how I needed it to go. Nothing too fancy, too special, but it gives me really, really good light for my makeup, so I love it. And this right here is the switch. Sorry about my nail. This is the switch, so you can have it dim down a little bit like that. Let me stand back so you can see that. It's just dim. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I'm gonna close the this curtain right here so you can have a better look. Okay, so hopefully that's better. Let me stand back. So I dimmed it down a little bit, and you just press this little button right here, and then you can have it dimmed all the way. Now these lights can be used, I use them for my vanity, but you can use it under your counter space in a closet, you know, whatever you want. But this is what works for me for my vanity, and like I said, it gets really bright. And then to turn it off, it took me a minute to figure it out, but you just go like that, and then it's completely off. Okay, so if you want to have just a soft light over your vanity, or if you're using it for something else, then you can just, you know, have a soft light. And I'll put all the information in the description as far as, like, you know, how many lumens and, you know, how bright, you know, it gets. So yeah, I've been using them for about 2 months and I love it. I absolutely love it. I was using a ring light before because I just needed really good light. So yeah. Okay, so I hope this helped. If you're deciding on getting some type of lights for your vanity. And this mirror that I have is very old. If you're curious, it's a vintage mirror, so yeah. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that quick review. I'll put all the information in regards to the name, all the specs and everything like that. And if you tried these lights, just leave a comment down below. If you like these lights, leave a comment. Or if you use something different that doesn't, you know, take up a lot of space, just let us know in the comments. All right, you guys have a good day. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies. Can you ever get it right? I'm outside, waiting by the curb, too upset to drive.